Hello and welcome. In today's video we are going to be learning about operators. Operators are used to change values of variables, and they are used for comparing variables. Let's get started with some basic arithmetic operators. The first one we're going to learn is the basic adding and subtracting. We have these two variables, x and y, and adding is very simple. It's just our first variable plus our second variable. Oops. We can see that this outputs 10 because 5 plus 5 is 10. We could also subtract. Which is 0, because 5 minus 5 is 0. We can go on and on, but there's also multiplication and division remainder. It's called modulus. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. There's also increment and decrement. Increment is basically plus 1, just like that. It's the same as doing plus 1. Now let's look at some assignment operators. These are used in if-else. If x is equal, or actually, this is wrong. Assignment operators changes the value of a variable. So x equals y, that means x will, or z will equal y. Now, we can also do plus equals, which is where it takes this and adds this to it. So it's basically z equals z plus y. We also can use subtract equals. That works too. We can also do multiplication equals, division, and division remainder. Now comparison operators. These are the ones that are used in if-else. If x is equal to y, echo equal. These two equal signs are for comparison. It does not turn x into y. It compares the two. It will return true if this is equal to that, but it will return false if it's not. We can also have an exclamation point, which an exclamation stands for not. So it's basically not equal to. So if x is not equal to y, then display they are not equal. Just like that. We also have is not. This also works as is not equal. This is greater than, less than, is greater than or equal to, or is less than or equal to. All of these comparison operators are fairly simple, and you could pretty much mix and match them as you go. Now we have some logical operators, which is where we can do, if we want to say compare two things, or not two things, if we want to do two comparisons in one if, we can do it just like this. And z is equal to 5. We'll just make it 4. This makes sure that both of these have to be true in order to continue. We also have these two lines. I just call them the lines, don't know their real name, but the two lines right above your enter, you have to hold shift to use them. They are OR. So if either this or this are equal, that or are true, then it will display our message. And that's pretty much it for operators. Of course, like I said before, you can mix and match some of them, but that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.